All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome here today. So this is another structure, another grammar that we're gonna be learning here after the days of learning about the culture and the vocabulary. So it's very important that we do grammar, right? Because the essence of a language is the grammar. So here today we're gonna talk about the position of adverbs, right? The position of adverbs. So before we start, we need to describe what an adverb is. We know that the adverb describe the verbs. Okay, so adjective, it also describes the adjective and other adverb. Okay, and then we all know that adverb tells how much, where, why, or when. Okay, just remember that adverbs tell how much, where, why, or went. So it's very important that we know what the adverbs are. Okay. So now, okay, in French, adverb usually comes right after the verbs. Huh, it's amazing. Say ad, ad. Okay, the verb, it comes right after the verb to describe. Okay. So now, for example, okay, many of you might like, oh, Mr. Zula, you miss here, you miss E. Okay, miss example. Example is not with E, is with A. No, this is example in French. That's how example is written. I just want to make sure to get you used to that, right? In French, example start with, yeah, it's written with E instead of A. Okay, for example, beaucoup, it's like beaucoup is like how much. So, for example, here you see it's a j'aime beaucoup le rock. Okay, so basically here j'aime beaucoup le rock. I like rock a lot. Okay, j'aime bien la musique. I really like music. Okay, un peu here j'aime un peu le jazz. So I like jazz a little. Okay, j'aime un peu écouter le reggae. I like to listen to reggae a little. Okay, so you notice here beaucoup comes right after the verb. Okay, so beaucoup describe how much the verb is, like how much I like the rock, right? Bien is like how much I like music. Emper is how much I like the jazz. Okay, emper is how much I like to listen to reggae. So it's really important that you understand that these adverbs describe the verb. So what I would like you to do is to take the notes, right? So you're just gonna take these notes, okay, from the beginning. From you see where I wrote the date. Like if you just go back here, you will notice that I put the date here. So all you have to do is to put the date and then the title here, and then when you just take notes, okay, you just take notes just as it is here, very simple. And when you finish, you put that in your binders, right? Do it in the binder, and then all I want you to do, okay, you're just gonna go ahead and do activity. Now you see here I say practice 7 to 5, 5 to 7. What are we gonna do? We're just gonna do for your later homework. You're just gonna do activity 5, and then we're gonna talk about it in class. And then it's the page where you're gonna find activity 5, page 37. So all you have to do, it says tell how much you like what is indicated by using beaucoup, means a lot, bien just really, un peu means a little. So for example, le rock. Okay, this guy here is j'aime beaucoup le rock. I love rock a lot. So you're gonna go ahead and tell how much you like this following activity. Faire du roller, regarder la télé, le jazz, faire du vélo, le camping, faire du footing, le reggae, téléphoner. And you notice that these are the expressions that we learn on the vocabulary part. So you just have to make sure you understand what those means and how they spell. So make sure you get this. If you have any question, let me know. Okay. On this note, take care of your beautiful self and see you next time. All right. Bye bye.